Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone contact key verification unavailable. If you are using any iPhone and you are having the issue that your contact key verification is enabled or unavailable, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So it might be your network issue. So very first you have to check your network connections, scroll down your control center, and you have to make sure that you are connected to the strongest Wi-Fi or cellular connection, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. Then go for settings app here, go for general here, go for VPN and device management, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, then go back, open date and time setting, and you have to set it to automatically, then go back, open the software update section, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update, and after that your issue will be fixed. Or if it's still not working for you, so you can try to disable your screen time settings from here. And once you have disabled your screen time settings, go back, tap on your Apple ID, and here you will not get an issue. Your contact key verification is now available on your iPhone. So in this way you can really fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.